welcome back to another vlog. So I thought it would be fun to take you guys along with me today. It's just a normal work day for me. I literally just woke up, so I sound like crap. I'm fine. I'm just, I haven't fully woken up yet. So I'm gonna start the day off with some much needed coffee, and yeah, let's get this day started. So sometimes when I'm having my coffee in the morning, I am wrapping up some things for a video, and this time it's for a video that's actually a couple more days out. And I'm just not happy with that thumbnail. Like, what the heck? I don't know if I want the title to be like answering your questions or Q&A. So I'm gonna sit here and figure out my life. Okay, so I think that this is what I have settled on. I kind of like it. I added some like little random question marks and things like that and changed it to Q&A time. I don't know. I just like, they really emphasize on YouTube how much thumbnails matter. So I think I like this. I don't know, but I'm really loving my new background in my office, which I will share with you guys later because I switched some things around in my office. Okay, so I'm running about like 10 minutes behind schedule to leave for the day, so I'm not going to pack my lunch today because there's just no way that I'm going to get a salad made, but I do have my breakfast and like morning snack with me. On Sundays, I boil eggs so that I can have them throughout the week. I am obsessed with these portable protein packs. Yes, you can make them yourself, but again, we love a good like grab and go in this house because we're all always on the go. And of course, a banana. So I'm headed out the door and off to work. I am extremely thankful that I don't really have set hours at work, but today there's a little bit of ice on my windshield and I don't have an ice scraper. So many of you guys offered suggestions on what I could do about this issue, but I am team just sit in my car and wait. Plus it gives my car some time to warm up, but I was not prepared. I was not prepared for this weather. Like, I'm fully acclimated to living in Georgia and not having a coat or jacket. I typically don't even like wearing a coat in the car anyway. I find it totally annoying, but whatever. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy some music for a little bit while my ice melts on my windshield. All right, so I am already home from work. I actually just pulled in the driveway. It was an extremely long, busy day. I was able to grab lunch over at Subway, like not my favorite, but it's what's there. There's only like one other fast food place near where I work, so the selections are few and far between. I will definitely have my lunch prepped for tomorrow. I can also see that my Nespresso order is here, and I am super excited about that because we almost ran out of coffee, and that is just unacceptable. All right, so I have checked my mail, and yes, I did get my Nespresso order in. I always order, let's see, I get 2 sleeves of Mexico. That is definitely one of my favorites. And then we always get 2 sleeves of Colombia. And I always get this one because the kids, well, Kayla's the only other one that drinks coffee. She likes the caramel cookie one, love it. But that's what I order like every few weeks or so. And then for the free samplers, because you get free samplers with Nespresso, I got Ethiopia and Costa Rica. I might actually try one of these today because even though it's about to be 5 o'clock, I could really use a cup of coffee. And then there's Brody. He's just happy that I'm home. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna probably make one of these right now because it's a smaller size, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but I could really use some coffee. I also got my latest Ulta order. Nothing major in here. I think I shared this in a recent, or my most recent favorites video from like a couple months ago, but I love the Joico Heat Hero Glossing Thermal Protector Spray. This is now my 2nd bottle. My stylist recommended it. Super, super good. I love it. And it works for my hair in this humid environment, even though it's winter and it's not really humid right now. When I do style my hair, it's a heat protectant and keeps things nice and smooth and glossy. Anyway, I also grabbed, what is this brand? It is Grande Cosmetics. It's like a brow, helps you with your brows. That's all I know. It was part of the sale this past weekend, and I've been really wanting to have my brows, having to use less pencil to fill in my brows. And my daughter tried it. She really liked it, so I'm gonna try it, and then I will follow up with you guys and let you know that if it's worth it or not. So that is really it. I'm also really loving the Christmas tree in the background. I keep getting asked if I'm gonna do Vlogmas. I personally decided not to do Vlogmas this year. I just, it's a lot of work, and I wanna, oh my God, he's like really just like, please pay attention to me. I see you. I see you, Brody. No, he's done. He's done. He's upset because the dogs outside won't play with him. Anyway, but yeah, not doing Vlogmas, but hoping to still post more vlogs throughout the month of December if I can. So anyway, I have like, it's hard to see, but I kind of have like a disaster of a kitchen back here to clean up. There's like pots from yesterday, stuff that's out on the counter, stuff that's on the stove. I don't plan on cooking this evening, and I'm totally fine with that. Kayla is actually picking up her Target order. Oh my gosh. Kayla is actually picking up her Target order right now, and I've kind of tasked her with picking up dinner for us because Jesse's out of town, and I'm like, it's a good time to get some McDonald's. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna relax, and then I'm gonna focus on cleaning up this kitchen.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
All right, so kitchen is done. I'm just kind of hanging out here. The dogs are hanging out with me, and I think I'm just gonna wait, like hang out and wait for the kids to bring home dinner. It's pretty awesome. But I'm also starting to get really tired, but I'm trying to keep up the momentum because there's a video I want to film. I'm trying to get a little bit further ahead since I took, you know, a couple weeks off from filming and things like that. And like I said, while I'm not doing Vlogmas, I want to be a little bit more prepared as we get closer to Christmas, where I'm not scrambling to put up videos. I can just, you know, have some ready to go. So I might work on one tonight just because there's a list of videos that I want to get done. I filmed one video last night. I can film one today. I'm vlogging today, obviously, and then I can also film another one tomorrow. This is not normal for me, but at the same time, there are times where I do like being a little bit ahead with creating content, and this just happens to be one of those times. I like to do it when I know I have the energy for it, and I like to be able to keep going. So we'll see if I can make it, but I'm just gonna put my phone down, put the camera down, and relax for a little bit, unwind from this day. I feel like it's easier to unwind once the kitchen's clean. All right, got a little sidetracked this evening and decided to go to Target with Kayla. Fun times. So actually, the only thing that I got was some wrapping paper, some bows, and something else. And the main reason for it, obviously, other than Christmas, is that we have a door decorating contest at work. And I was like, this is like the perfect time to grab the supplies for that. So I ended up over the weekend buying some extra lights for our Christmas tree, because we have a pre-lit tree where half the lights don't work, because that's the way it always is. But I had bought a set of lights that happened to be red and white. I just grabbed the wrong box, and I was going to return them. And then I thought, you know what? I'm going to use it for the door decorating contest. So it's going to be like a messy holiday door situation. I'll try to take a picture, but it's going to be for the office door at work. So I was going to kind of do an office tour, because obviously, you guys, some things have changed, but I think I'm going to make that a completely separate video also, because my office is a complete disaster right now. I have things from a video that I filmed yesterday. I haven't even planned today. It's like Tuesday evening and my planner is blank. And that's fine. Sometimes what I do is I'll sit in my office and just fill out what happened throughout the day, kind of planning after the fact. But yeah, I need to clean up this space, but this is where I leave you guys, because I am tired. I'm not gonna film that video tonight. I'm just gonna take a break and yeah, clean up this office, take a shower, deal with whatever's going on with my phone right now, and go to bed at a decent time. That is the goal every day this week, is to actually be in bed when I should be. So I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys in my next video or the next vlog or whenever. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Bye.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time.